First of all, video credit goes to my friend Natasha for creating this awesome video. Check out her Facebook page about food in the description section. So this bird, the great blue heron, weighs only 5 to 6 pounds despite its big size. Like all birds, it has hollow bones. That's the reason for its low weight. And another fun fact is that these guys can hunt day and night. They have great night vision that lets them see even in the night. See how still this bird is, waiting for its food to show up. Super still. And boom, there it goes. It got a big froggy.